You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Yes, open up your eyes. Is all of you open your eyes? Good morning. Yes, good morning. Okay, children, now all of you ready for the breathing exercise? Are you all ready? Breathe in, breathe out exercise, okay? Shall we start? Shall we start, children? Breathe in, breathe in, breathe out. 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 Okay, ready for yoga? Are you ready for the yoga? We did it on Friday, right? Put your hands straight up like this. And then you have to bend this side. Yes, are you all ready? Yes, hands up. Join your hands like this. Up. All of you stand up. Join your hands like this and bend to your right. Yes, and then come back. Now bend to your left. Come back. Again, one more time. Bend to your right. Yes, Kartikeyan, come on, do it. Come back. And now to your left. Very good. And then come back. Okay, now put your hands down. Another yoga, you have to lie down on your bed and then lift your body up. Yes? You want me to show that picture or you know that? You know, right? Yes, very good, Dev Girish. Like that only. First, you have to lie down on the bed and then you have to lift up your body up. Okay, let me show you. Yes, Nitik. Wait, Nitik. Yes, you can see Nitik, children. Yes, now lift your body, Nitik. Yes, very good, very good. Like that, you have to lift your body. Very good, very good. Very good diction, also very good. Very nice diction. And then, who is doing correctly? Vivan, are you doing? Hashni. Yes, lift up your body, Hashni. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, children, now stand up. Stand straight. Ready for the actions? Running. Running. Run, 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 run. It's all of you run. Run, all of you. Yes. Now jumping. Jump, 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 all of you. Jump, all of you. Yeah, very good. Now turn around. Turn around. Yeah, turn around. Stop. Okay, now all of you, what are you going to do? We are going to do actions, okay? How will you eat? Eating action. Eating. Eating. Very good. Laughing. Laughing. How will you laugh? Like that you have to laugh. Laugh loudly, children. Laughing. Okay. And then next is combing your hair. Combing. How will you comb your hair? Like this. How will you brush your teeth? Brushing. Brushing. Okay. Crying. How will you cry? Cry. Okay, very good. And then, how will you drink? Drinking. Drinking. Drink, 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 drink. Okay. Next is hopping. Have to lift one leg and hop. Lift one leg up. No jumping. It's not like jumping. Jumping means you'll do it with both the legs. Okay. Hopping is with only one leg. Lift one leg up and then hop with another leg. Only one leg. Very good, children. Okay, now, children, animal sounds. Are you ready for the animal sounds? Yes, you like it, right? Okay. How does duck sound? Duck, duck. How will it sound? Yes, Nitik, you can unmute and tell me, Nitik. Duck. Quack, quack, quack. Very good, Nitik. Okay. And then, okay, mute Nitik. Then, Yeah. Next, dog. Dev Krish, you can unmute and tell me. Dev Krish, dog. How's
Dog.
dogs will do? Quack quack. Dogs will do quack quack. No, dogs will do bow bow. Yes, bow bow. Okay, very good. Siddharth, how a cat will sound? How a cat will sound? Huh? Meow. Very good, Siddharth. Then, Sarika, how a crow will sound? Very good, Sarnika. Ka, ka, ka. Okay, very good. And then, Kuntalas, Hashni, how a lion will sound?
Lion.
Huh? Yes. Wow, very good, Hashni. Very good. And then, Vivan, how a snake will sound?
Snake repeat.
How snake will sound? Are you afraid of snakes? Yes, very good, Vivan. Like this. Very good, children. Very good. Now, all of you go inside, drink one glass of water, and come back. Come on, bring your calendar also. Yes, ready, children? Finish drinking water. Yes, very good. Be ready with your calendar. Ready? Okay, today who is going to tell me the date? Who will tell me? Janal, what is the date today? Come on, tell me correctly. Let me see. What is the date today, Janavi? Unmute and tell me, ma. Yes?
Yesterday.
What is the date today? Today's date is 2020. And what is the day? Say it up when you go. The date is Monday. Okay? So today's date is 2020 and the day is Monday. Okay? Saturday, Sunday holiday, right? So today is Monday and the date is 2020. We are going to color. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes, come on, take your colors and color 2020. Yes, finished. Yes, very good, Tarnika. Very good, Danvin. Yes. Ritvik, did you color the date, Ritvik? Come on. Color the date 20. Yes, very good. Hashni, very good. Yes, Vivan, very good. Dikshan, good. Rohita, good. Pranita, did you color the date, Pranita? Come on, color the date, Pranita. Ritvik, color the date, ma. Take your calendar and color the date, Ritvik. Come on, good boy, Ritvik. Rishank, are you coloring? Satvika colored? Yes, very good, children. All of you finished coloring. Okay, now keep it down. Let's start our attendance, okay? Are you ready, children? Thumbs up. Those who have finished. Thumbs up if you are all ready. Yes. First, Devarakshita. Danvin. Danvin. Tell me Danvin. My name is Sai. No problem, say. Good boy. My name is Danvin Sai. I'm in junior KG. What happened to Danvin? Danvin, okay, don't start. Danvin, look here, look at mom, Danvin. Look at mom. Come on, see here. What happened? Smile. First you have to smile. Yes, Dhanvin. Okay, it's okay. I've marked you, Dhanvin. Okay, no problem. Okay. Dev Krish.
My name is Krish. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Dev Krish. Dikshan.
Dikshan.
Dikshan. Dikshan, can you hear me, Dikshan? Dikshan. Can you hear me? Very good, Dikshan. Parnas. Parnas. Parnas is not there. Rashmi.
I am studying in junior KG. My name is Rajni. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay, very good, Ashni. Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
My name is Janvi. I'm a junior KG. I'm a teachable.
Okay, very good. Kavyani. Kavyani. Yes, Kavyani. Kavyani is not there. Okay. Next is Naitek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitek. Anita.
What's a game,
Anita.
ma'am? What's a game, ma'am?
Kartikeyan, wait, Kartikeyan. I'll call you, okay? Pranita. Okay, Kartikeyan, now you say Kartikeyan.
I am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Kartikeyan.
Ma'am, my name is Kartikeyan. Studying in junior KG.
Very good. Nukshita. Nukshita. Nukshita is not there. Rohita.
My name is Soita. For us, junior
Slowly, Rohita. Slowly.
Slogan చెప్పు.
My name is Soita. I'm for us junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Satvika Sri. Satvika. Come on, tell me, Satvika. Very good, Satvika. I am studying in junior KG. Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Dharnika.
My name is Nanika. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Dharnika. Tilakar.
unmute பண்ணு
Okay, Tilakar.
My name is Vishal. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Vishant. You are showing me something, Vishant. Come on, show me what is that.
Fingers family.
Yes, show me. What finger is that?
காட்டுங்க என்ன finger?
Daddy finger.
Next. After daddy finger.
காட்டுங்க சீக்கிரம்.
After puppy finger.
Yes, show me. Lift it up and show me. Right.
Puppy finger.
Good, good. Next.
Puppy finger.
Yeah. Very good, very good. Next.
இந்த finger பாருங்க. Sister finger.
Unless you show me, how will I know? Yeah, show me. What finger is
Sister
that?
finger.
Sister. Where is your brother finger? Where is the brother finger?
The brother finger.
Very good. Whose brother? Vishank brother. Yes, very good, Vishank. Next. What is that? Finally, finger. Could you tell me the little finger?
Mama finger.
Mama finger you showed me. Baby finger, where is it?
Baby finger இல்ல. No baby, puppy
Show me
finger.
the baby finger. No baby finger.
Baby finger.
Only puppy
Oh my
finger.
God.
Only puppy finger.
Only puppy finger. Okay, Vishank. Very nice, Vishank. Tomorrow you prepare one baby
Thank
finger
you,
and
ma'am.
show me. Very
நான்
good.
இது காட்டுறேன் மேம்.
Okay, thank you.
நான் பண்ணது.
Lovely,
இது
Vishank.
காட்டுறீங்களா மேம்?
Good boy. Good boy, Vishank. Okay? Vivan.
Adema,
Oh, what is that? What are you having in your mouth? Biscuit. Okay, Vivan. Zeddy. 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 Okay, Ritvik. Ritvik.
I am Ritvik. எடுத்துறேங்களா?
Come on, Ritvik. You want something, I think. What do you want, Ritvik?
வா, I'll give you come.
What is he asking?
He's
What
asking a toy.
He's asking toy. Okay, give it in his hand, no?
Okay, okay.
After that, you bring
Come.
him and
Okay.
make him tell that activity.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Ritvik,
Thank
you take your toy, come back and tell your attendance, okay? Okay,
Okay,
children.
ma'am.
Attendance session is over. We are going to move on to our rhyme session. Okay? Today, children, we are going to sing rhymes which you like, children. Whatever rhymes you want, we are going to sing that rhyme only. Okay? According to your wish. But one condition, everyone should sing and do the actions in your place. I'm watching everyone. So all of you should do actions and sing loudly, but don't unmute. Okay, you have to sing. I'm seeing your mouth. Nobody is shaking your mouth. Yes? Okay, now all of you should sing in your place. You have to sing loudly. Okay, first, what rhyme shall we sing? Yes, Karthikeyan, what rhyme you want? Tell me. Karthikeyan. Yes, Karthikeyan. Who's that singing? Rohita, mute yourself. Shekar, mute yourself. Everybody should just mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. I'll ask one by one. Okay, all of you mute. All of you mute. I'll ask one by one. Okay, only Karthikeyan is going to say. Karthikeyan, what rhyme shall we sing, Karthikeyan? You tell me, ma. You want roly-poly? Okay, all of you. Shall we do the roly-poly rhyme? For that, you have to stand, children. Stand up. Stand up, then only we can sing the roly-poly rhyme because it is full of actions, right? Okay, all of you stand up. Vivan, stand up. Roly-poly rhyme, shall we start? Yes, we are going to start. Roly-poly, roly-poly, up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly, down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, right, right, right. Roly-poly, roly-poly, left, left, left. Roly-poly, roly-poly, front, front, front. Roly-poly, roly-poly, back, back, back. Roly-poly, roly-poly, fat, fat, fat. How will you do fat? Do like this. Fat, fat, fat. Roly-poly, roly-poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly-poly, roly-poly, big, big, big. Roly-poly, roly-poly, small, small, small. Roly-poly, roly-poly, tall, 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 tall like this. Tall people, you look like this, right? Tall, okay? Roly-poly, roly-poly, short, short, short. Short people, down, okay? Roly-poly, roly-poly. Open, open, open. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Close, close, close. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Fast, 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 fast. Very good. Now all of you sit down. Very good, children. And next time, who is going to tell me? Okay, Tarnika, what rhymes can we sing now? Yes? Yes, tell me that. Yes? What else do you want? Don't want to say anything? Okay, Hashni, tell me what rhyme you want to sing.
Johnny, yes, Papa.
Oh my God, Johnny, are you small baby? Huh? PG baby? Are you PG baby? Want to sing Johnny?
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
Very good, Ashi. Very good. Next, Dhanvin. Dhanvin. Okay.
I love you. Love you too. Love you too. Clap for me. Brother, sister, let's play. Sing and dance road to the bay. Grandma, you're so sweet.
I'll give you kiss and give you hug. Then
Very good, Dhanvin. All of you clap hands for Dhanvin, children. All of you clap hands for Dhanvin. Very good. Next, Siddharth. Siddharth, will you sing a rhyme? Come on. Okay, finish. Okay, very good, Siddharth. Very good. Okay, next, who is going to sing? Satvika. Satvika. Satvika, come on. Sing a rhyme.
One, two,
Sing a rhyme.
3, 4, 7, 5, 6. Pick up the 6, 7, 8, 8 and stay. 9, 10, 6, 7.
Very good, Satvika. Very good. Vivan. Come on, sing a rhyme, Vivan.
which line you want, Vivan?
ABC.
ABC. Next time.
My father has a phone.
Okay, sing.
Then the
What are you singing, Vivan? What name are you singing?
He's singing Old McDonald's.
Oh my God. Vivan, I can't see. Hear you. But it was nice. Okay, very good. Circle rhyme. Do you know the circle rhyme? Can you draw a big circle? Can you draw a big circle? Shall we sing?
Circle function.
More circle and round circle. Can you throw a big circle? More circle and
Same like
Can you draw a small circle, a round circle? Can you draw a small circle that that ring? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Now Dev Krish, very good, Janavi. Dev Krish.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome.
Yes, Dev Krish.
Now sing. Sing.
Siri,
okay. நீ பாடு இப்ப பாடு. Okay, sing.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger.
Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Very good, Dev Krish. Well done, Dev Krish. Tilakar.
Okay, bye.
Tilakar. Will you sing a rhyme, Tilakar? Yes. What rhymes? Tilakar?
சொல்லு.
Yes. Then? Then? Fat, fat. Okay. Very good, Tilakar. Nice. Very good. Very good. Very good, Tilakar. Very good. Okay, children, the rhyme session is over now. We'll finish off with our phonic rhyme. Okay? What rhyme is this? Ah, ah, answer my arm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. They are causing me alarm. Ah, next is B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. And our next alphabet is C. Okay, we are clicking castanets. Ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets. Ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ka ka ka. Very good. And our next rhyme is D. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Very good. And our next letter is E. Okay. Eggs in the pan. Eh eh eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh eh eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh eh eh. Crack the egg like this. Children, when you do the action only, you will know the alphabet also. Okay, children? So, don't forget to do the action. Okay, next is F. For every letter, we have separate action, children. Okay, so kindly try to do that. F. What is the action for F? Okay, my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Okay, what is the action for F? Okay, this is the action for F. Okay, children, hope you all have be ready with the action activity sheet. Are you ready with the activity sheet? Yes, ma'am is going to present now. All of you take your activity sheet, alphabet matching sheet. Okay, we are going to match. Please, parents, don't help them. Let them identify the alphabet and match it by themselves. Then only I'll know how much they know. Okay, parents, please don't help them. Let them do it on their own. So all of you take the alphabet sheet now. Okay, children. This is our alphabet sheet. Now we are going to match capital letters with the small letters, children. Nobody should ask your mama or papa's help, okay? You must do it on your own because I want to see how many of you are clear with the alphabets. Okay, now capital A, have to match it with the small letter A. Come on, start matching. Ma'am is also going to do. It's already matched. Okay, now. Yes, now capital B with small letter B. Don't get confused, children. Standing line, front side curve is B, small letter B. Capital B, small b. Yes, next is capital C. Capital C, small c. Where is it? Down here. Capital C, small c. Next is D. Capital D, small d. Next is E. Capital E, small e. Yes, did you all match? I'm going to come back, okay? Yes, did you all match correctly? Did you all match without the help of your parents? Yes? Did any of you ask help from your mama or daddy? Nobody, right? Yes, all of you lift your sheets up and show it to me. Tilakar? Very good, Tilakar. Tilakar is doing now. Good. Nishank? Yes, very good, Devkrish. Very good. Very good, Devkrish. Did it on your own, Devkrish? Yes, you did it on your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Devkrish. Very good. Next, who finished? Okay, mute yourself, Devkrish. Mute, mute. Next, who finished? Danvin, good. Rohita, good. Very good. Next, Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan.
I finished.
Yeah, Tarnika.
Ma'am, can you tell me the page number?
Very nice, Tarnika. Good. Kartikeyan, you also finished? Yes, show me your sheet. Very good, Kartikeyan. Good. Naitek. Naitek finish? Yes, Naitek. Tilakar. Hashni, very good. Then who finished? Rohita also okay. Danvin finished. Siddharth. Siddharth finished. Siddharth. Yes, good, good, good. Next. Yes. Tilakar, finish. Very good, Tilakar. Very good, children. Very good, very good. Vivan, where is your sheet, Vivan? Vivan, did you finish? Yes, Vivan, answer.
I finished. Yeah, I'm coloring. I finished.
Yeah, you finished. Very good. And now you're coloring. Okay, very good. Very good. Huh? Show me a sheet. Ishank. Ishank, you're doing now. Okay, Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan. Anybody? Did I miss anyone? Everyone, did I see? Okay, Vivan, I take Hashni. Good. I saw yours. Very good, Hashni. Rohita also good. Kartikeyan, good. Tarnika, Devkrish, Dikshan, Danvin, Janavi. Did you finish, Janavi?
Yes, ma'am. Vanilla, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, show me. Very good.
I'm the one, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Janavi. Next is Satvika also finished. Very good. Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik, did you
He's
finish?
doing, ma'am.
Okay.
He's doing.
Pranita. Pranita, are you there? Okay. Everyone finished. Okay, very good. Okay, children. Next, we are going to move on to our numbers. For that, I want everybody to take your slate. Come on, take your slate, everyone. Yes, come on, take your slate. Slate and chalk piece. Yes. Take your slate and chalk piece. Pranita, take your slate and chalk piece. Come on. Pranita, take your slate and chalk piece. Those who don't have slate, you can use your rough notebook. Naitek, you don't have? You don't have slate. Last year's slate also you might have. Unmute and tell me, Naitek. Tell me.
He's having chalk. He's not having chalk.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem. Okay, next time you tell your mummy or daddy to buy a chalk, okay? We'll use slate, okay? Okay, Naitek. Well done. Good. Children, now I want you to write the number. What number ma'am is telling you, you have to write that number and then you have to draw two images next to that. Okay, see, suppose if ma'am is telling you to write number 2, you have to write number 2 and draw two images. 1, 2. like that. Okay, shall we do it? Shall we do it, children? Are you ready? Yes. This is just an example, okay? Now, write number 3. All of you write number 3. Yes, 3. And now we have 3 images here, okay? See here. I'm going to draw a triangle. 1, 2, 3. Shall we draw 4, children? Should we draw 4? No. Why? Because it is only number 3. So we should draw only 3 images. If you have any doubt in that, what you have to do? Have to strike out and count. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In case if you have drawn, see, you have written number 3 and you have drawn 4 objects like this. What you should do? First, you have to check whether you have done it correctly. How will you do? Have to strike out and count. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, but I have drawn 4 circles. Okay, it is wrong, right? So I'm going to erase one object. Okay, now it is only 3. Like this, you have to check. If you have done it wrong, you have to check it like this. Okay, and now next number, erase. Come on, erase, children. Erase it. Now we have to write number 5. Okay, write number 5. Number 5. Yes, now draw 5 objects. What we can draw? Shall we draw 5 sun? Yes, shall we draw 5 sun? 1, 2, 3. Have to count and draw, children. Then only you will not get mistakes. 4, 5. 5 sun. Shall we check whether we have drawn correctly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to check. Very good, children. Vivan, very good. Good, good. 5 sun. Dikshan, very nice, Dikshan. You are drawing very neatly, Dikshan. Count and draw. Okay? And then confirm whether you have drawn correctly. Very good, Danvin. Rohita finished. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Good. Yes, let me see all of your slate or notebook. Let me see whether you have drawn neatly, have written correctly, whether you have checked whether you have drawn correctly. Yes. Who is that? Sorry, Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Very good, Pranita. Very good. Dikshan, very good. Good, good. Vivan, did you finish, Vivan? Oh, what you've done? Something you're drawing. Very good, very good. Okay, now you can erase. Okay, children, now erase it. Make it clear. Now we are going to write number 7. Shall we write number 7? Rohita? What happened, Rohita? 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 You don't have slate, Rohita? Rohita, look at mom. What happened to Rohita? You can draw, Rohita. If you don't have slate, you can draw in your notebook. No problem, you can draw in your notebook.
ఇదిగో ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాస్ ఎందుకు ల్యాప్టాప్ పెడతాను
Okay, no problem. Okay, now we are going to write number 7, okay? Shall we write number 7, children? Yes, first you write, then only ma'am is going to write. Let me see how many of you are writing correctly. Very good, Tarnika. 7. And we are going to draw 7 pizza. Shall we draw 7 pizza? Yes? Yes. Pizza will be in triangle shape, right? So, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now Mama is going to check whether I have drawn correctly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, Mama's done correctly. Yes, after you have drawn, you have to check. Strike it out and check whether you have done 7 objects. Have to check. Strike it out and check. Yes. Yes, very good, Dikshan. Very good. Tanvin, very good. Very good, Tanvin. All of you show me your slate. Come on, lift it up and show me your slate. Those who have finished. Yes, come on, Janavi. Yes. Very good, Vishank. Very good, Vishank. Nitek, show me your notebook. Yes, Vivan. Very good, very good. Kartikeyan, show me your drawing pizza. Yeah, draw. Yes, very good, Vishank. Okay. Over. Okay, very good, children. Very good, Tilakar. Yes, I saw yours, Tilakar. It's good. Yes, very good. Are you all striking it out and counting it again? Yes? Okay. Now, those who finished, erase. Once you have finished, erase it. The next number we are going to write is over. Next is 1, 0, 10. What number? 1, 0, 10. See, 1, 0, 10. Okay, now we are going to draw 10 balls. Okay, shall we draw 10 balls, children? Count and draw. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 balls. Okay, now ma'am is going to count and check whether I have drawn correctly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, see here, 10 balls. Very good. Very good, very good, children. Very good. Well done. Those who finished, very good. Okay. Next, we are going to do our worksheet. Yes, those are finished. Show me your slate and then you take your worksheet. Okay, I'll show you which worksheet is that. This worksheet. 1 to 20 numbers. This worksheet. Yes, okay. Those who have finished, take this worksheet. Number is D20MT. This worksheet. Okay. Be ready with this worksheet. Yes, ready, children? Yes. First is number 1. Below number 1. After 1, what number? 2. So write 2. And then 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. 9 after 1, 0, 10. Okay? 10 after 1, 1, 11. 11 after 1, 2, 12. 12 after 1, 3, 13. 13 after 1, 4, 14. 14 after 1, 5, 15. 15 after 1, 6, 16. 16 after 1, 7, 17. 17 after 1, 8, 18. 18 after 1, 9, 19. And then 20 is already given, okay? 2, 0, 20. It's already given. Okay, children? Those who don't know, you can look at the screen and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Okay, children? Okay, let's going to come back. Let me see how you have written, children. Okay, those who finished, show me your worksheets. Yes, Danvin. Danvin, show me. Have to say yes, ma'am, Danvin. When I'm calling you, you have to say yes, ma'am. Yes, Danvin. Yes, very good, Danvin. Dev Krish. I'll call you one by one. Okay, children? Dev Krish
He's writing, ma'am.
is writing. Okay. Then Hashni. Hashni, finish.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, so very good, Hashni. Very good. Tilakar. Tilakar is writing. Okay. Naitik, you finished? Are you writing? Okay. Satvika. Satvika finished? Show me Satvika. Very good, Satvika. Well done. Good girl. Yes. Janvi. Show me Janvi. Where is your worksheet, Janvi? What happened, Janvi? Yes, very good, Janvi. Good. Next is Pranita.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Pranita, did you finish? Pranita, show me. Did you finish? Very good, Pranita. Others, please be mute. I'll call you one by one. Please mute yourself. Next is Tarnika. Tarnika. Very good, Tarnika. Very good. Good. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am. Chapo.
Rohita also wrote. Very good, Rohita. Good girl. Give her a star. Rohita's mom. Give her 2 stars.
Okay, ma'am. And star is there.
Next is. Next two finished.
Okay.
Vivan finished?
Happy?
1, 2, 3.
Vivan finished? Yes,
Okay.
Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Nice, Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Very good, very good. Yes, Devkrish. Yeah, Devkrish. Very good, Devkrish. Siddharth. Now show me Siddharth.
నేను మా ట్రైనింగ్ కనుక్కుంటా నువ్వు వెళ్ళి వదిలిపెట్టే మమ్మకి
Siddharth, where are you? Show me properly, Siddharth. Yeah, very good, Siddharth. Good. Very nice, neat, Siddharth.
నువ్వు వెళ్ళేటాడు
Very good. Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita. Rohita, mute yourself. Very good, Siddharth. Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Kartikeyan. Yes, very good, Kartikeyan. Dikshan. Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan. Very nice, very nice. Then, whom did I miss? Vivan. Vivan also I saw. Vishank. Did you write anything, Vishank?
I'm
Yes, what?
C and D.
Yes, Vishank. Vishank.
Writing mention.
I think.
Writing
Yes,
mention.
finish. Right. Good boy. High five, Vishank.
High five, high five.
Yes, high five.
Oh.
Don't break the screen. High five. Okay, next, Nightek. Very good, Nightek. Very nice. It's nice, Nightek.
Thank you, Mom.
Tilakar. Tilakar, finish.
No, ma'am.
Show me. You didn't finish? Very nice. Very nice. Very good, Tilakar. Very good. Okay, next is, whom did I miss? Did I miss anyone? Anyone did I miss? Ritvik, did you finish? Ritvik?
He's writing, ma'am.
Okay. Finish, Ritvik. Finish slowly, Ritvik. Those who didn't finish it slowly and send it in WhatsApp. Okay, children? Okay, thank you so much, children. Thank you for your cooperation.
Bye, ma'am.
நீங்க பாருங்கம்மா.
Janavi, I saw yours, Janavi. Janavi, I saw yours.
Bye. Bye.